Hello everyone. We welcome you again to this video tutorial on setting up Symcloud Storage on Google Kubernetes Engine. So let's get started. Let's have a look at the agenda. In this tutorial, we will understand about various ways of setting up Symcloud Storage software on GKE and its prerequisites. Then we will dive into hands-on demo for installing and verifying Symcloud Storage software on GKE. As we know, Symcloud Storage is an enterprise-grade advanced storage and data management solution. It can be deployed as a standard Kubernetes operator and manage stateful workloads with ease. Symcloud Storage is compatible with a wide array of orchestration platforms, which includes RedHat OpenShift, Google Anthos, managed Kubernetes environments such as GKE, AKS, EKS, as well as native Kubernetes setup. In our last tutorial, we understood how to get started with Symcloud Storage software on native Kubernetes. In this part of the series, we will see how we can install and get started with Symcloud Storage software on Google Managed Kubernetes offering, which is Google Kubernetes Engine. GKE is a managed Kubernetes offering from Google that runs in the Google Cloud platform. Symcloud Storage provides various options to set up Symcloud Storage software on GKE. There are primarily three different available options for users to choose from. The most simple and quickest option is available as a marketplace offering to bring enterprise-grade storage and data management capabilities to run stateful applications on GKE. The second option is to download Symcloud Storage software and install using the installation script. This is the same method we have used in our previous video where we installed Symcloud Storage software on native Kubernetes. You may refer the link provided in the description box to get insights on how to use Robin installer command to set up Symcloud Storage. The third and the last option is to clone the repository and manually perform the setup using CLI. In this tutorial, we will be leveraging option 1 to set up Symcloud Storage software from scratch by using Google Marketplace offerings. The installation prerequisites for Symcloud Storage software in terms of resource requirements, supported Kubernetes versions, kernel modules, port requirements, and supported operating systems are all same as we understood in our last video. You may refer our last video tutorial, Symcloud Storage installation on native Kubernetes on our YouTube channel, or refer docs.robin.io for detailed documentation. In our case, where we wish to use GKE, the only prerequisite is to have GKE cluster in place, and that's it. In this demonstration, we will verify the existing GKE cluster, search for Symcloud Storage software bundle on Google Marketplace, followed by installation and cluster verification. So let's begin by exploring the existing GKE cluster first. So if you see here, we are having a specific Robin GKE POC project. If we go to the GKE clusters, see here, we are already having one cluster with a name called GKE Symcloud Storage, which is a 3-node cluster. Now, in order to validate it, we are already having a shell. Let me clear it. So what we will do is we will connect to this. Once connected, we'll do kubectl get nodes. See here, so we are having 3-node cluster, which is up and running. Apart from that, if I clear a screen and do kubectl get ns, see here, we just have default namespaces available. Now, in order to install Symcloud software here, we are going to the navigation bar and you will be able to see something called Marketplace. So open it in a new tab. And this is a marketplace where you will be able to find all of the softwares provided by the partners. So if you type Symcloud and press enter, you will be able to see the software here. So click on it. See here, there is something called version. So at present point in time, we are having 5.3 version of Symcloud storage available. So what you need to do is you need to do a configure, and you are going to get a free trial period for 30 days. So configure. As soon as you click on a configure, it will going to launch a form and we have to fill that form. See here. So we are going to have a Kubernetes cluster, which is already here. We are having a namespace. So we are going to install everything in a new namespace. So we'll create a namespace and we'll give it a name called Robin.io. Keep all things as it is. And if you come down here, it will ask you for something called cluster requirement. So we have to press yes here. So we have to type yes here. Then it will going to have the standard directory structure. Scroll down and it will probably ask you to give couple of permissions also. So if you come here, these all are namespace wide permissions. And if you come down, these all are cluster wide permissions, right? So if you come down here, you will be able to see there is a button called deploy. So we are going to click a deploy. As soon as you start clicking it, what it will do is it will start deploying Symcloud storage software on your GKE cluster. See here, it is checking and setting up all the credentials. And once it is done, it will start doing the installation. See here, deploying application resources on cluster. And you will see it will switch to your GKE console. See here. So it switched to your GKE console. It's under the Robin GKE POC project. And see here, it comes under here application. So it started deploying the things for us. So let us wait and see. It will take a couple of minutes to get everything installed. See here. So it will going to deploy your application. Once the application is deployed, you will be able to see all of the details here. So let's wait and see. It will take a couple of minutes. Now see here, everyone. So it have installed everything. See this. All of these things have been installed. Even if you go to workloads, you will be able to see all of the details here. So these all things have been installed under Robin namespace. Even if you come here, you select cluster, you select your robin.io. Okay. And you're going to see all these things here. You refresh. See here. So if you select your GKE cluster from here, GKE Symcloud cluster, and you select the namespace, right? See this, you will be able to see all the details here. Now, let's go back on our cluster and see what had happened. What we will do is we'll check the namespaces, kubectl get ns, and you will be able to see one namespace called Robin.io. So everything from Robin has been deployed here. So if you do kubectl get all -n Robin.io, you will be able to see everything which Robin have deployed, which Symcloud Storage have deployed. So if you go up, see here. So there are multiple pods which has been deployed. The services has been deployed. The daemon sets, deployments, various deployments, replica sets, stateful sets, and jobs. If you specifically check about pods, kubectl get pod -n Robin.io, you will be able to see all of the pods and jobs. Now, in order to verify your cluster, what you need to do is you need to log in any of the Robin pods. So what I'll do is kubectl exec -it -n -n Robin.io -bash. So it will take us to one of the Robin pods, right? So if I clear my screen here, now if I do Robin host list, you will see we are not logged in. So in order to find out the user, go back. If you come to your application, if I click here just to show you, if you come to your application, so we have Robin CNS1, click here, see this Robin cluster info. This is a default username and this is a default password. So we'll take this and we'll log in into a cluster. So Robin login username hyphen password Robin123. So we are logged in now. So if we do Robin host list, we will be able to see our three nodes, node 1, node 2, and node 3. If you come here, see this, all of these nodes are in ready state and all are online. Now you can even check the storage classes. So if you do kubectl get sc, so these all are the storage classes which has been deployed by Robin by default. Next, you can check the license information. So Robin license info. See here, we are having evaluation version, right? And if you see here, this is the version of the cluster, which is an old one here. Even you can check the same thing using Robin version command. See this. So Robin cluster version is this, and the client is this. The command is this, right? So with this, you can start using your cluster. So I'll clear the screen and I'll come out of the pod. With this, we have come to the end of this video. We hope you find it useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. To learn more about our organization, feel free to click on the link provided in the description box. We shall see you in our next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from us.